Hello everyone, welcome to my channel GK for GC. Here today we will discuss general knowledge GK questions. Instruction: please watch the video till in without skipping it. And a request: if you find my channel interesting, useful and informative, please like, share, subscribe it and support us. So let's start today's GK questions discussion. These questions are from computer and IT. Question number 1. What is the full form of HTML in computer terminology? Option 1 hypertext markup language, option 2 hypertext markup language. No, option 1 is hypertext markup language, option 3 is hybrid text markup language, option 4 hybrid text markup language. The answer is option 2 hypertext markup language. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is used to create web pages and web applications. It structures content using elements like headings, paragraphs, links, and images. Question number 2. Commonly used abbreviation GUI in computer science stands for option 1 Group User Interface, option 2 Graphic User Interface, option 3 Graphic User Integration, option 4 Group User Integration. The answer is GUI. Graphic User Interface allows user to interact with electronic devices through graphical elements like windows, icons and buttons instead of text-based commands. Question number 3. In the context of computers, what is the full form of PDF? So the answer is portable document format. PDF, portable document format, is a widely used file format developed by Adobe that preserves document formatting across different devices and platforms. Question number 4. In the field of information and technology, what is the full form of ASCII? Option 1 American Standard Communication for Information Interchange, option 2 American Standard Code for Information Interchange, option 3 American Standard Code for International Interchange, option 4 American Standard Code for Infrastructure Interchange. The answer is option 2 American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ASCII is a character encoding standard used in computers for text representation, where each character is assigned a unique numeric value. Question number 5. In every computer connected to the internet needs as IP address. What is the full form of IP? So the answer is Internet Protocol. Internet Protocol is a set of rules governing the format of data sent over the internet or local networks. It provides unique addresses to devices for communication. Question number 6. Chief component of first generation computers was? The answer is vacuum tubes. First generation computers from 1940s to 1950s used vacuum tubes for processing and memory storage. They are large, slow and generated a lot of heat. Question number 7. Second generation computers can be characterized largely by their use of option 4. The answer is option 4 transistors. Second generation computers used transistors instead of vacuum tubes, making them smaller, faster and more efficient. Question number 8. Which of the following computers are used in hospitals to measure the heartbeat of patients? Option 1 digital computers, option 2 hybrid computers, option 3 mainframe computers, option 4 analog computers. The answer is option 4 analog computers. Analog computers are used in medical applications for real-time monitoring, such as measuring heartbeat, blood pressure and other physiological data. Question number 9. Who among the following created the electronic discrete variable automatic computer EDVAC with a memory to hold both a stored program as well as data? Option 1 Thomas H. Flowers, option 2 Arthur Samuel, option 3 Bletchley Park, option 4 John von Neumann. The answer is option 4 John von Neumann. John von Neumann contributed to the development of EDVAC, introducing the concept of a stored program computer where program instructions and data reside in the same memory. Question number 10. Who among the following is called the father of supercomputing? Option 1 Kane Thompson, option 2 Alan Perlis, option 3 Seymour Cray, option 4 Vint Cerf. The answer is option 3 Seymour Cray. Seymour Cray is known as the father of supercomputing because he designed the first supercomputers and founded Cray Research, which developed high performance computing systems. Question number 11. In 1991, India's first indigenous supercomputer was developed by Vijay Bhatkar. What was its name? Option 1 Prayas 3000, option 2 Prayog 2000, option 3 Param 8000, option 4 Pragati 5000. The answer is option 3 Param 8000. Param 8000 was India's first indigenous supercomputer developed by Vijay Bhatkar under the CDAC initiative in 1991. Question number 12. Which of the following is a supercomputer developed by India? Option 1 Param Yuva 2, option 2 Onshape, option 3 Van Gogh, option 4 Pixar. The answer is option 1 Param Yuva 2. Param Yuva 2 is an advanced supercomputer developed by CDAC in India designed for high speed computing. Question number 13. The headquarters of computer technology giant Intel is in option 1 London, option 2 Tokyo, option 3 California, option 4 Frankfurt. The answer is option 3 California. Intel Corporation, the world leader in semiconductor manufacturing, has its headquarters in Santa Clara, California, USA. Question number 14. Which of the following is an input device that utilizes a light sensitive detector to select objects on a display screen? Option 1 light pen, option 2 barcode reader, option 3 optical mark recognition, option 4 magnetic ink character recognition. So the answer is option 1 light pen. A light pen is an input device that detects light emitted from a computer screen and allows users to interact directly with the display. Question number 15. The speed of central processing unit CPU is measured in which unit? Option 1 gigabyte, option 2 hertz, option 3 terabyte, option 4 kilobyte. The answer is option 2 hertz. CPU speed is measured in hertz, representing the number of cycles per second the processor can execute. Question number 16. Which technology did third generation computers use? Option 1 integrated circuits, option 2 transistors, option 3 microprocessors, option 4 vacuum tubes. The answer is option 1 integrated circuits. Third generation computers used integrated circuits which increased processing speed and efficiency while reducing size. Question number 7. A modem is required for accessing the internet through cable. What is the meaning of word modem? So the answer is option 4 modulator and demodulator. Modulator, demodulator is a device that converts digital data from a computer to an analog signal from transmission and vice versa. Question number 18. Which generation of computers used transistor technology for the first time? So the answer is second generation. Second generation computers replaced vacuum tubes with transistors, making them smaller, more reliable and energy efficient. Question number 19. Which among the following types of computers is also known as a notebook? The answer is option 4 laptop computer. A laptop computer, also known as a notebook, is a portable personal computer designed for mobile use. Question number 20. In a computer system, which device is functionally opposite of a keyboard? The answer is option 4 printer. A printer is functionally opposite to a keyboard because a keyboard inputs data into a computer while a printer outputs data into paper. Question number 21. Dot matrix is a type of option 3 printer. A dot matrix is an impact printer that forms characters using a grid of dots. BIOS is option 1 non-volatile firmware, option 2 volatile firmware, option 3 software stored as a small memory chip on the motherboard, option 4 only 2 and 3. The answer is option 1 non-volatile firmware. BIOS basic input output system is firmware stored in non-volatile memory that initializes hardware components during boot up. Question number 23. The most important advantage of an integrated circuit is its. The answer is option 2 extremely high reliability. Integrated circuits are highly reliable due to their small size and efficient performance. Question number 24. What are the components of a CPU in a computer? Option 1 input, output and processing. Option 2 control unit, primary and secondary memory. Option 3 control unit, arithmetic logic unit and register. Option 4 none of the options are correct. The answer is option 3 controlled unit, arithmetic logic unit and register. The CPU consists of the control unit, arithmetic logic unit and registers for processing data. Question number 25. The control unit is called the dash of a computer. Option 1 heart, option 2 nerve center or brain, option 3 kidney, option 4 all of the above. The answer is option 2 nerve center or brain. The control unit is often called the brain of the computer as it directs the operations of the processor. Question number 26. All the arithmetic and logical operations in a computer are done by option 1 ALU arithmetic logic unit, option 2 control unit, option 3 register, option 4 no options is correct. The answer is option 1 arithmetic logic unit. The ALU arithmetic logic unit performs all mathematical and logical operations within a computer. Question number 27. Which of the following pairs is incorrect? Option 1 touchpad locator device, option 2 microphone output device, option 3 monitor output device, option 4 all options are correct. The answer is option 2 microphone output device. A microphone is an input device, not an output device. Question number 28. Which among the following is or are input devices? So the answer is all options are correct. Keyboard, scanner and joysticks all are input devices. Keyboard, scanner and joystick are all input devices that help users interact with a computer. Question number 29. Which among the following is a light sensitive device used for converting images to digital form? Option 1 printer, option 2 monitor, option 3 scanner, option 4 RAM. The answer is option 3 scanner. A scanner is a light sensitive device that captures images and converts them into digital form. So thank you everyone. Like, share and subscribe GK for GC and support us.